I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine? I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm revealing my Glam guest bedroom tour. I hope you enjoy.
I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling.
Guys, you may recognise this room as my home office, but I recently did a little makeover and made this into a guest bedroom.
Oh yeah.
Guys, I've always wanted a blush pink bed, and when I spotted this one at Harvey Norman, I knew it would fit perfectly in this room.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you
This bed is called the Alexa. Now guys, unfortunately it's a sales item, so it's not currently online, but it is still available in store.
gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Oh,
I absolutely love blush pink, guys, and I'm so drawn to any velvet style furniture. I feel it's very luxe and very glam, and this bed I knew would fit perfectly in this room. I chose to get a double bed here, but I love the coziness and the feel and the contrast it gives to my wallpaper.
I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side.
Now, I was still really loving my wallpaper, guys. I vowed I wasn't going to get rid of that. So I kept everything the same. All it was taking out the old furniture and bringing in the new. And I'm really happy with how it came.
Don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine?
Don't be afraid when decorating, guys, to mix different colours. Most of the time I would have gone for something like a blue bed or something with a silver in it, but I already had pops of pink in my home office and I knew it would contrast perfectly with all the blue and silver accents.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
On the bed, I chose a simple white doona cover, which is from Target. I also mixed up the pinks and the warmer tones with my beautiful leopard print cushions and throw, which is from my dear friend Betsy Ann, who purchased that from Target in the USA. I then added some furry pink cushions, as well as my eyelash cushion, which is from My Lash Design on Instagram.
We're we're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
Now what I did here, guys, was I swapped out rooms in my home. So I took away a part of my beauty room and made that my home office. And then I made this home office into that guest bedroom. I will be doing a home office / beauty room reveal very, very soon as well. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you'll be aware when I upload that.
So now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now.
Guys, this room is very girly and very glam and just exactly how I envisioned.
I'll get over you. Oh, I'll get over you. Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, we're taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that
To the right hand side, I added this Glam mirrored nightstand. I added some coffee table books, some fake flowers, as well as this cute perfume bottle from TK Maxx. And the lamp is from Ronnie's Home Depot.
I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired.
The large mirror above the bed is also from TK Maxx.
Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs. Life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way when decorating your guest bedroom glam.
I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
Every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of train. darkness, give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.